There are many different types of dangerous people in this world who harm other people for personal gain. We call these dangerous personalities. People with these personalities can be found in both personal and professional settings and cause severe mental, physical, and emotional damage to those around them. So it is important to know how to protect yourself, your career, and your life today if you are currently dealing with such a dangerous personality.
Hi, my name is Fauzia and I have 2 black belts, trained in 7 martial arts, several certifications in psychology-related fields. I have trained with law enforcement officers and learned from ex-FBI agents. So if you're new to this channel looking to become safe and empowered, I'd love to invite you to subscribe.
In this series of videos, we're going to explain
What these personalities are, how you can identify them, what type of damage can they cause, who are they likely to be, or where are you likely to encounter them, some well-known examples from our history, the mistakes we make in identifying them, a checklist that will help you correctly identify them, and self-evaluate if this person in your life whom you're dealing with is indeed a dangerous personality. I will share with you who are the most vulnerable victims and the self-defense techniques you can use against these dangerous personalities. For each of these dangerous personalities, we'll be using these scores to show the level of psychological and physical damage they cause: low, high, or extremely high. And for proximity, we'll be using these scores: intimate, close, acquaintance, or stranger.
And because this is a very large topic, we're going to make a playlist or a series with each of these dangerous personalities broken down into several different categories. Now, before we get started, let me remind you that this series is designed to help you stay safe. It is not designed for you to label individuals as dangerous. This can be very stigmatizing, discriminatory, and extremely harmful. There are many factors that can contribute to an individual's behavior, including genetics, upbringing, health issues, trauma, life experiences, personal circumstances, and most importantly, mental health. It is really important to remember that not all individuals with mental health conditions are necessarily dangerous. In fact, they may be more vulnerable to becoming victims of violence themselves as opposed to perpetrators of violence. So it is essential to approach this topic of mental health with caution and care. Do what you need to do to prevent and escape a harmful situation, to help a friend or a family member get to safety. And that's it. Please think twice before using any of the information that I provide in these series of videos. Think if you're using it to help yourself or to harm someone else. Are you using it to become a more prejudiced person, which by the way makes you a dangerous personality, or are you using it to prevent from and escape from danger?
So without further ado, let's get started.